What's up Saab fans around the world, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to spray paint a front bumper with only spray cans, and hopefully with a great result. But before we start with that, I'm just going to tell you this weekend I did my first cam belt or timing belt change together with a water pump on the diesel. It was the first time I did it, and I haven't found any videos on YouTube showing it correctly for the Saabs. There's a bunch for Opel and Vauxhalls and stuff like that, and the engine is quite similar, but it's not exactly similar, but it works. It was the first time I did it, and I didn't have time to record it. I was in the garage for like 1 hour. I was inside, and then the other day I took some more hours, and I wasn't really sure on how to do it. So this time I learned myself, and next time I will show you. So I got 2 cars with the cam belt and the timing belt, so hopefully, or not hopefully, because it is a little bit tricky, but it's quite an easy job when you know how to do it. And if you do it yourself, you could save a lot of money, and no special tools is needed. So I just threw together a little montage of some pictures that I took during the work. So here we go. So as you saw, I also changed the flex pipe, which was totally destroyed, and the nuts on the exhaust could be a pain to get off, but finally I got them. It took some time, but I got it done. So now it's a fresh flex pipe. The oil and oil filter has been changed, and I got a new water pump, so no squeaky noises that there was before, and a new belt. So now everything is fresh, the engine is working perfectly. So next week I'm going to JDM Performance to get a tune, which I have been waiting for a long while to do. So that is happening, and I'm bringing you guys together with me. So to start off today's video, I got a Linear Vector front bumper for an NG93. So we're going to start with some sanding the rough spots using some body filler, then eventually using some plastic primer, and then start using the paint, which is 2K spray paint from bilfärg.se that delivers quality stuff always. So this is a job that I have been wanting to see also. I have seen people on YouTube spray painting whole cars with cans, and it turns out quite good. Since this is a little bit smaller piece and smaller areas, I think we could manage to do a pretty awesome job. So let's get going. thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you liked this episode, and be sure to look out for the next one. Comment if you like, and be sure to subscribe to the channel for more content. Stay tuned for the next episode, which probably will be the tuning episode. So see you guys next time. Bye. It's real hazy in here.
It's real hazy in here.